Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make a light, refreshing and healthy dip that will instantly elevate your salads and veggie platter. If you're looking for a quick, flavorful and versatile dip to enjoy with fresh vegetables or even as a dressing for your salad, then this coriander yogurt dip is perfect. To make this dip, let's start by blending a handful of fresh coriander leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies and a pinch of salt, and blend them into a coarse paste. Make sure you don't over blend as we want to keep some texture. Next, into a mixing bowl, we'll take 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Add the freshly crushed coriander, garlic, green chili paste to it. Next, to balance the flavors, we will drizzle in 1 tablespoon of honey. The sweetness of the honey will perfectly complement the spiciness of the green chilies. We'll mix everything together until it's well combined. So our rich, creamy and flavorful dip is ready. That can be served with a platter of fresh veggies or can be used as a delicious salad dressing. Hope you have enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching.